Premiere Pro Editing 101, Premiere Pro Editing Workflow. Adobe Premiere Pro is a professional video editing software widely used in the industry. Here's a quick rundown of its editing features and some tips. Features *, editing tools, industry standard video editing tools and time-saving AI features to get to the right cut fast. Effects, hundreds of built-in effects and transitions, with templates for customization. Titles, create polished titles, captions, and graphics directly within Premiere Pro. Color correction, powerful color correction and grading tools, including AI-powered balancing. Audio mixing, pro audio tools to reduce noise, enhance dialogue, and add advanced effects. Editing tips *1. Keyboard shortcuts, learn and use keyboard shortcuts to switch between tools faster. 2. Text-based editing, use AI to transcribe your video on import, then edit by copying and pasting text. 3. Multi-camera editing, group and play clips from different cameras simultaneously and cut live during playback. 4. Dynamic link, save time by sharing assets directly between After Effects and Premiere Pro without rendering or exporting required. 5. Auto reframe, AI-powered feature to preserve the focal point when changing aspect ratios, especially useful for different social platforms. For more detailed editing techniques and to enhance your workflow, consider exploring online tutorials and resources that provide step-by-step guides on Premiere Pro's functionalities.